Mixed service fleet operators in the Middle East and Africa are demanding tires that offer both versatile on-road capability and greater resistance to the conditions encountered both on and off-road, especially in applications in construction, waste management, recycling, and agriculture. In response, Goodyear has developed a range of mixed service tires with optimal damage resistance and longest service life compared to its previous versions. This new range is called OmniTrac. It comes in 10 sizes and has been tested in the Middle East region for more than 3 years. And there's a special 24-inch version for the UAE market. Goodyear's engineers have incorporated a new technology called Durashield that combines enhanced robustness with performance and retreadability. Who's the target audience for this new range of tire? And what is Durashield? Let's find out. I'm Dennis Daniel and you're watching Heavy Metal, a weekly bulletin by PMV Middle East and Construction Week that brings you the latest developments in the construction equipment and commercial vehicle industries. The top customer demands in the Middle East with regard to tires, according to Goodyear, are durability for harsh working conditions, improved chip and chunk resistance, performance for increased mileage, and extended life through retreadability. Goodyear spokespeople David Ankert, Benjamin Willard, and Lauren Colantonio explained the product development, technology, and applications of the OmniTrac range.
So the target audience for the OmniTrac is vehicle operators operating in mixed service conditions. Mixed service conditions means vehicles going on the road and then also off-road to sites where they operate. When we were looking at the severity of the operating conditions in off-road conditions, we really were looking to find the necessary grip to operate on soft soil, to operate on gravel, for instance, but also the necessary damage resistance. Imagine a lot of stones, other foreign materials, rocks that the tires need to resist in terms of damage. On top of that, once you get off the site, you get on the road, you want to make sure that the vehicle operator gets the most out of the tires in terms of on-road performance. And on-road performance will include mileage, the distance the tires can travel, and secondly also fuel economy, the fuel economy the tires can bring to this vehicle fleet.
So as David mentioned earlier, the mixed service application goes across a wide range of industries. Let's take an example, a modern concrete mixing plant, which typically will be located in urban development areas and will produce on a daily basis up to 3,000 cubic meters of concrete.
Right, wow.
Which represents up to 300 truckloads in and out each day.
Every day.
And of course, if you manage this type of operation, you need to run it rather smoothly. And you expect from tires several key characteristics. I would mention first the robustness of the tires, the reliability, and also the efficiency in operations. So set, in other words, this is really about peace of mind for the fleet operator.
It's easy to imagine that a mixed service tire operating in off-road tough conditions has a very difficult life. It can be cut and damaged by external sharp objects like sharp stones or captures gravel that will damage the tread. Ultimately, those events can lead to an ingress of water into the tire structure. And when water meets steel, it creates corrosion and rust, therefore limiting the tread life of the tire and reducing its retreadability potential. So the Goodyear patented Durashield technology is a top protective belt innovative technology that brings protection against casing damage to a new level, that brings to the end user an improved tread life of the product as well as a much better retreadability of the casings. What is truly unique about the Durashield technology is that the top protective belt is made of a non-metallic material that we are very proud to bring to the market in truck tires. Together with a very specific and unique cord construction, that material goes through a very specific process that gives it the stiffness and the adhesion that we need to make it suitable for truck tire applications.
Goodyear believes its biggest differentiator is its lowest cost per kilometer proposition. Customers will want to invest in tires that offer better performance and service and reduce their operational costs. If you are a mixed service fleet operator in the Middle East, what kind of tires would best suit your working conditions in this region? We'd like to have your feedback. Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the Construction Week YouTube channel. See you again next week.